Don't. Hello. Welcome to Planet Wellness. This is our weekly live, and today we are here in sunny Kent. You can see the lovely flowers behind us.
Yes.
And we are going to be talking about a vegetable that most of you would have or should be eating, and it is about carrots. So
Yes.
over to you, Ronald.
Yes, we've got quite a treat for you. Carrots are very much an underestimated vegetable, and so I want to give you quite a few pointers of why you should eat carrots on a daily basis. Right now, if you cut across, you know what a carrot looks like. It can be anywhere from say 3 inches to about 9 inches, depending whether you grow organically or not. But if you get a knife and you cut across a carrot, right, you'll see inner circles in the carrot looking exactly the same as your eyes. I'm talking your eyes, right? The same, exactly the same. So carrots, by and by, are excellent for vision, right? And one of the most sacred things you can have is your vision. Keep your vision to quite like 75, 80, 99. Now, once you start losing your vision, it's not funny, because you can lose one arm, you can lose a leg, you can still manage. But when you lose your eyes, your eye vision, it's not good. So at least 1 or 2 carrots about 6 inches long are needed on a daily basis to give you the enough beta carotene. That is the number one ingredient for carrots, beta carotene, right? Beta carotene, right? Now the reason why this is so effective is because that is the actual magical element that feeds the macula in the back of your eyes, right? It also feeds the cornea, the iris, and the sclera. It feeds the entire eyeball, right? It also feeds the optic nerve, which is very rare in some type of vegetable, but that is the number one reason why you should eat carrots on a daily basis. Now, one thing you should never do, you should never ever peel a carrot. Never peel a carrot, because that's where the beta carotene is located, right underneath the skin, right? Now, what are the components of a carrot? You've got number one is beta carotene, and then you get vitamin A, you get vitamins, you get some parts of the vitamin B, you get vitamin C, right? There's also, depending where it's grown, if it's grown organically, you'll have magnesium, you'll have calcium, you'll have molybdenum, you'll have copper, and you'll have selenium, right? And you'll have silica. This depends where the carrot's grown. You should try and eat organic carrots as much as you can, because then you're going to get a lot of physical elements like minerals, right? Now, I'm going to give you another couple of reasons why you need to take carrots. When you take carrots, you can cut the carrot up, but do not peel them. Leave the carrot as is, wash them, and then you can chop them small and get them steamed. You can steam the carrots. Now, when you steam the carrots, it should be fairly soft, but not super soft, right? Now, another good way to do it is to get a grater, and you grate the carrot, right, so it becomes like strips. Now, I'm going to give you a recipe what's going to make the carrot even more powerful, right? Now, you get 1 or 2 carrots, you grate them, right? So you do not, like I say, you not peel them, you grate them, put them in a Pyrex bowl, right? Then you get about 1 or 2 tomatoes, right? Chop them up in pieces.
Or cherry tomatoes.
Fantastic. Then guess what you put in? You put in 1 red onion. You ring the onion, you cut it in rings. Put a red onion on top. You can also use a white onion, but the red onion's got more flavour and it's also got more mineral elements. And then on top of that, you chop up some fresh watercress. You don't cook them. You mix that in. So what you've got so far is grated carrot, red onions chopped up, watercress, tomatoes, right? There's a couple of more things you can add. You can add radishes, right? You get the red radishes, fresh, chop them up. Again, don't peel them, just cut them up. And then you add apple cider vinegar, right, about a tablespoon, 2 or 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and 1 teaspoon of sel de Gueron. That is a great combination. You want to repeat that?
Yeah.
Grated carrot.
With the skin.
With the skin on.
Cherry tomatoes or normal tomatoes.
About 15 or 20, that's for one person. 1 red onion chopped up in rings.
You can add radishes, cucumbers.
About 6 to 8 radishes or cucumbers, right, with the skin on, and finally watercress. and then you add, you stir it all up, and you add to it extra virgin olive oil, sel de Guerin, and a bit of Bragg's apple cider vinegar.
And you can even garnish it with certain herbs like
Yeah.
coriander or chives.
Oregano, chives goes well.
Or parsley.
Yeah, you can put parsley, ginger. You can put ginger. So we'll, if you like the recipe, try it out and give us some feedback, and we'd love to comment on it. Really appreciate it.
So good. Thanks for sharing that, Ronald.
Yeah.
And obviously, there's high fiber content as well. If you're going to eat a few carrots daily or regularly, that will help with your bowel movements as well. Because we've met quite a number of people who are actually very constipated. Yeah. So that will help to your fiber intake and also your daily intake of fruits and vegetables.
Yeah, and I want to show you right beyond us. Have a look at that.
Look at the color
Look
of the
at
flowers.
the colour of the flower. This is a place called Adler Manor, right? And look at that. Look at that. This is a begonia at the back, and this is what I call a flower begonia, and it's a delightful place to be in. It's in the country, and the degree at the moment is about 15 degrees, and it's very clean here.
Yeah.
Anyway, take care. We're looking for keep well, keep positive, and we'll talk to you next week.
Yeah, and thanks for watching. Isabel, Anwar, and I think it was Ruth just now. If you found this video useful, please give us a like, heart, care, or wow emoji.
Yeah.
Even if you're watching on the replay, either on this channel, on or on YouTube when we publish it later.
Yeah.
Do also share it with your friends so that they can also benefit from the knowledge that we've shared.
Yes.
So enjoy the view. Like I said, we've got lovely, lovely flowers where we are.
Yes.
You can see the yellow ones,
Yeah, there's another
orangey ones as well.
begonia as well.
Right,
Okay.
yes, all very beautiful where we are.
Okay.
We're away this week, so that's the view where we
Yeah.
are.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
we'll show you the lovely garden as well.
Okay.
All right,
Take
take
care, guys.
Have a great
Okay.
week. Bye-bye.
Bye.